I spent only 3 minutes a day and transformed myself within just 30 days. Here's the best part. If you try it and don't see any positive changes in yourself within 30 days, you can return it without any questions. The Growthbet Bullet Journal has been a life changer for me. It not only assisted me in setting my goals, but also held me accountable for them. My productivity and routine started getting better after just a week of using it. This journal proved a game changer in my life because it smoothly helped me with both my health and my habit formation. No matter how busy I am, I can easily take 3 minutes to fill this journal, and in just 1 minute, I can assess all my progress over a day, a week, a month, or an entire year. Furthermore, it comes without dates, so you can start using it at any time of the year.